Hey folks, Jessica here, Eagle Creek's resident travel expert, and today we're going to talk about how to pack for an adventure. So whether this is your first trip or you're a seasoned globetrotter, it's always helpful to have a rundown of those things that you should pack for your international excursion. Think about wheels. Do you want wheels? If so, you've got two options. You've got a two-wheel bag, which is a great option because two-wheel bags typically have more capacity than a four-wheel bag. And if you do want to go with a four-wheel, these guys are great because they're extremely mobile, plus they're easy to navigate down the aisle of the airplane. Now, chances are you want to do a lot of different activities on your trip, which means organization is key. My best advice for you is to invest in packing organizers. And my favorite are Eagle Creek's Packet System because they allow you to really arrange everything inside your bag so you know where everything is. All right, guys, I think it's time to pack up for our ultimate adventure. But before we do that, I'm gonna say something kind of basic, and that is to check the weather. Just because it may be your summertime doesn't mean it's gonna be summer where you're going. Also look at things like, is it rainy season? Is it super dry? These things are gonna be really helpful when both shopping for your trip and when packing everything up. All right, so this past December, I went to Costa Rica for 2 weeks. It was pretty warm when I was going, and it was also the very end of rainy season. And this is what I packed. You know how I said earlier that I love Packet? This is why. Check it out. See, isn't it rad? Everything is super organized now and I'm falling over everything in my bag. But if you didn't think that was cool, check this out. Boom! Isn't that amazing? Look how organized the bag is when you use Packet. And it's really easy to find everything you're looking for if you use different color packets. So now that you know how to choose your bag, how to stay organized and what to pack, let's talk about staying healthy on the road. So as soon as you book your international trip, I would recommend jumping on the Center for Disease Control to learn all about travel vaccines, medications you may need, and to get some travel advice. We recommend putting together just a mini first aid kit to have a lot of the stuff that you may need on your trip that might be hard to find. All right, now that you've packed up everything you could possibly need in your main bag, let's talk about your carry-on. What are you gonna want with you on the plane? Think about things like comfort. So your pillow, a blanket, eye mask, earplugs, also chargers for your phone, maybe some earphones or earbuds, journals, iPad is pretty clutch. Anything like that, just take all that stuff, pack it in Packet, and stash it in your personal item. All right, guys, well, hopefully this has been super helpful. I just have a couple more tidbits to share with you of things to consider before you hit the road. First thing is your phone. This thing is an incredible travel tool. Make space on it before you go. Also, download travel apps before you leave, like Google Translate, anything that helps with money conversion. Cash is also important. I would definitely recommend getting out some cash before you head out. You can always convert it as soon as you get to wherever you're going. Also call your bank. Let them know that you're gonna be traveling, your credit cards too. The worst thing is when these things are canceled. So prevent that by letting them know that you're gonna be leaving the country. Travel insurance, specifically travel health insurance. If you're interested in this, there are a lot of options. Just Google that and find yourself a plan that makes sense for you. And then lastly, travel security. We haven't talked about it a ton, but do your research, know where is safe to go and where is not safe to go. And if you want more security for your bags, go ahead, pick up a travel lock to lock those lockable zippers. You can also get yourself a money belt. Pick up whatever you need to make sure that you feel comfortable while you're traveling. And guys, that's it. You made it through the whole video. Well done. I hope this was super helpful, and I hope you have an amazing time on your adventure. Take care. I'll talk to you soon.